Today, I'll show you how to add a stunning glow effect behind objects in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're spicing up a video project or adding a magical touch to your footage, learning how to create this effect can really elevate the visual appeal. Let's dive in and get started on this creative journey. First, you'll want to make sure you're on the edit page in DaVinci Resolve. This is where most of your editing magic happens, and it's a great interface for applying effects. Once you've confirmed that you're in the right place, head over to the effects library. You can find this on the top left of your screen. The effects library is your toolbox for all things creative, offering a wide array of options to enhance your videos. Within the effects library, navigate to OpenFX and then look for Resolve FX Light. This category contains various lighting effects that can be used to add some flair to your clips. Among these, you'll want to focus on the glow effect. Click on glow and drag it directly onto the clip you wish to enhance. This action applies the effect to your selected footage, setting the stage for the magic to happen. Once you've applied the glow effect, it's time to fine-tune it to your liking. Select your clip again and look to the top right of the DaVinci interface where you'll see the inspector panel. Click on the inspector to reveal a new world of options. In this panel, you'll need to select the Effects tab. This tab is where you can adjust all the parameters associated with the glow effect. Now, let's tweak those settings. You'll first want to focus on the glow strength. This slider controls how intense the glow appears. You can increase it for a more pronounced effect or dial it back for a subtle glow. Next, adjust the spread. This determines how far the glow reaches from the edges of the object. A wider spread creates a more ethereal, dreamlike appearance, while a tighter spread keeps the glow more contained. Color is another important aspect to consider. The default glow might not match the mood or style you're aiming for, so feel free to play around with different hues. This can dramatically change the feel of your footage, from a warm, inviting aura to a cold, mysterious halo. Once you've adjusted these settings, you'll notice the glow surrounds the entire object in your clip. This effect wraps around the edges and adds a dimension of depth and intrigue, making your object stand out beautifully against its background. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to apply a glow effect behind objects using DaVinci Resolve. This technique is a fantastic way to add visual interest and can be tailored to suit any project. Remember, the key is to experiment with the settings to achieve the perfect look for your video. Happy editing and enjoy bringing your footage to life with this captivating glow effect.